financial advisor. Hey guys, welcome to Armstrong Crypto. Don't just trade crypto, experience it. Doesn't have anything to do with crypto. There's a big buffalo there. Welcome to the XRP Army. Kobe!
You
got it. Welcome to the XRP Army shows. We're going to be talking about what's going on with XRP right now. There's a lot of misconceptions out there, and I really feel like I need to call out my friend Crypto Mason. Crypto Mason is my friend. I love Crypto Mason. I think that he's extremely intelligent. I think he's great at crypto. However, I think he is dead wrong on something he said lately about XRP being considered a stable coin. And it just comes from what I believe to be a misunderstanding of why the World Bank classified XRP with that tongue. I wish y'all could see that tongue. This tongue of this buffalo is really long.
Yeah.
Look, that thing. You see it? You see it down there? Look, you see it? I felt like an alien tentacle. And I don't even believe in aliens. But anyways, the point is the World Bank came out and said that XRP is a stable coin. And the reason they said that, here, I'll let y'all see a little bit more. The reason they said it is not, it doesn't mean it's going to become like USDT. I explained this last week. It's because it's going to be a bridge currency between CBDCs. It's going to act in effect as the wholesale traditional finance, in a sense, combined with new financial crypto, of course, version of the world reserve currency. It's basically going to be the US dollar for international settlements, for bank transactions. It's going to act like the world reserve currency, just like the dollar does in a sense, because it's going to bridge these together. That's why World Bank is classifying it as a stable coin. And this just goes to prove more and more why, you guys, you need to understand XRP is real. Ripple is not going away. It's going to be a massive company. It cannot fail, guys. Not financial advice, of course, but it cannot fail. And so, it's one of these things where, right now, guys, I believe we're right at the beginning of the pump. I believe it has started. We had a retracement yesterday, and I think that and you guys noticed my trade. My trade actually went back to even. And you know what I did? I loaded up and I added more leverage. I'm pretty confident that this is the beginning of what will become known as the first true altcoin season of this bull market. So I think that we're going to see massive gains from a lot of coins. I'm looking right now at Polygon. I'm also looking at XRP. XRP is up a pretty good bit. It seems to be gathering some strength. Everything is timing up right for XRP, I think, guys. And if you are an XRP, look, I'm standing by what I said. I believe this thing will be at $1 by the end of the month. I know that's a bold statement. That makes me sound crazy. I get it. At some point, XRP has to have the kind of parabolic gains that these other coins are getting. And it's been suppressed. And it feels like finally we may be able to breathe. So really looking forward to showing you guys my trade. I'm going to be in Mexico this week, as you guys know, training for my big MMA fight. So I'm going to be leaving for that tomorrow. I talked to my trainer. My trainer doesn't think we should do a live stream this week. Oh God, alien tentacle. But we'll see. I'm going to do whatever is approved. These tongues are just so gross. What do you do, son? What is this? Is this like a water buffalo?
Yeah.
What you guys can see? Let's see if they can see that thing. Oh God, well, they can't see. It's huge. But anyways, guys, we're out here animal safari, and why? Because we're taking it easy today. Because crypto's pumping. We like that. Actually, my kids could care less about crypto, but to be honest with you. But I hope you guys have a good day. I'm gonna get back to doing this thing because we're having a good time. But I did want to point out, I do disagree with Crypto Mason. I don't think it's because he's wrong per se. I just don't think he necessarily understands. And I'm not trying to belittle by saying he doesn't understand it. I'm just saying I don't think when the World Bank is classifying XRP as a stable coin, they're meaning in the way that he took it as. And guys, I tell you what, there's one thing for sure. There's a few animals here at this safari where if you try to feed them, they may bite you. It is what I call a demon. Some people call it an emu. Also a camel. And also, what was the other one, kids?
A zebra.
A zebra. That's why we're throwing them in the zebra's mouths. We got real good at it. But that's because, kind of when you're feeding an animal, it's a little bit of a gamble. And everybody knows that when you're gambling, you're going to a casino. Well, don't gamble with traditional money at a casino. That's right, guys. Go to the world's largest social casino, Stake. The Armstrong Crypto X channel is sponsored by Stake. Game, fun, chat, and more. Make sure you guys go hit it up. QR code on the screen, link in the description. Wow. Oh, no, say do not. No. Oh, Blake, scoot back. So let's get that thing. Sorry, guys. The demon came. The demon came, and its head was in This thing is so scary looking. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, hold on. Here, put the window down. Put the window down. Put the window down. Put the window down. What is this thing gonna do? Y'all can't even see it. Here we go. Once he saw his own reflection, he disappeared. Look at this guy. Roll the window down. Oh my gosh.
Like you can unbuckle and move.
He ran away.
No.
He heard we were in the XRP army, and he's a Bitcoin maxi, so I got out of here. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've certainly had fun making this video, whether you guys liked it or not. Make sure to smash that like button on your way out. Helps us keep the lights on. Be blessed.